What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Of course, I'm so excited, you guys. It's another P.Louise unboxing, you guys. So let me do it like how the London girls be. I got a parasol, okay? We got a parasol. Excuse my makeup. I literally had it on for for 7 hours, okay? So we're just gonna get it straight into this unboxing, y'all, because we got, let me tell you what we got first, because girl, you doing too much. I'm doing too much, y'all. But let me tell y'all what I received. I got the P.Louise mystery skincare box, which is the $40 box that comes with the palette, not the $25 box, because that don't come with the palette. And I got the blush sets, so you know we're gonna do a little try on to see how they blush sets come on me. Okay, this box is unopened. This is my real reaction, first reaction and impression of my P.Louise box. So let's get into this video, period, point blank. Excuse my shirt, that's makeup. Like I told y'all, I was outside all day. But we just got a parasol. We just got a parasol. All right, I'm sorry. Okay, y'all, so let's do it like how the girls be doing it on Tickety Talk. They have to pull this, and I heard that it's so like satisfying when you pull this in the package, and it's so beautiful. Like, do you see it? Wash away 2022. Yes, that's what we need to do. Wash it away. Okay, so we just gonna pull this. Let's see if I could do it. Ooh. Yeah. Let's see what we got, y'all. So for all of this, I spent $115. Shh, don't tell nobody. Nah, y'all know I be exaggerating, but okay, y'all. I just had to take a second to take it all in. I had to take it all in. You know what I'm saying? So let's go through everything that we have received. So the first thing that I really wanted was this Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Y'all, Melt Away 2022 Badass Babe Crew. Oh. So this is how the packaging looks, and it's like so beautiful, you guys. So should we smell it? Yes, we should. We should smell. We should give her a smell, you guys. Let's give her a smell. Let's give her a little twirly whirly. Okay. It was given hardcover. I thought it was, you know. It smells like caramel, butter crispy, something that I ate. I'm gonna tell y'all, caramel popcorn, but it's a good size too, y'all. A lot of cleansing balm, and I wanted this. I didn't know I wanted this. I wanted this. I'm happy for that. And then we got with the mystery. I'm gonna tell you what I ordered separate and what I ordered together. This is the cleanser, which I did need it as well. And this is her new line that just came out. Did I add that in? Okay. Excuse my nails. And this is the body scrub. Ooh, one of her body scrubs. Let's see how this is smelling, y'all. Let me smell it. And I wish it was more skin products in there. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I really Ooh, this smells really good. It's like a perfume kind of scent. It's not like a food sweet scent. It's like a clean smell, and it smells really good, this body scrub. Okay, the body scrub is given. Okay, but it's a smaller bottle in that body scrub. Let's see what this is. Y'all, let's see what this is giving before we move on. And this, and we got one more thing in the mystery skincare products, and this is a big burn, I feel like. Oh, it smells clean like soap, and it's just like a cleanser. So we'll be using this to take off our makeup, and we're gonna be testing this, okay? Right now at the end of this video, so make sure you stay to the end to see how it removes this makeup that I had on all day. And the last thing in this mystery skincare product includes the Blend Away 2022 eyeshadow palette, and ooh, is she big. She big. So, ooh, the colors look so beautiful already. Or as she should say, stunning. Stunning. Okay. Very stunning. You know, P.Louise would be like, oh my god, so stunning. Ooh. Ooh. She's beautiful. Oh my god. She's lovely. She's amazing. She's fantastic. I want to be very careful. Two-sided mirror. And this is the palette, you guys. So, ooh-wee. It's giving. I love it. It's so pretty. And the back says, blend away the bad vibes. Oh, blend away the bad vibes. Blending away the fake friends with each and every tap of my palette, I begin to make amends. I'm using this as soon as possible. So lastly, no, second to lastly, I just got a P.Louise blank canvas base in this shade blank canvas, you know, to add to my little collection, to cut my little crease, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, blank canvas. Yeah, I needed that. And then lastly, oh, she got the shade wrong. So I got the shade Pink Party, Coral Morals, and Strawberry Sunrise. So, and I feel like this is dark skin, you know, kind of friendly thing. Let's see Strawberry Sunrise. And the packaging is really cute, you guys. LMG. So I heard this was like satisfying, but I don't know how you do it. Oh, it's coming out already. Which one is this one again? Damn, where did the thing go? This one is Strawberry Sunset. So this is Eh. Ooh, I thought it would have been more red than that, but it's coming out red a little bit. So I'm gonna swatch it in the back of my hand, of course. Ooh. That's dark skin approved. That's dark skin approved, okay? I like to smell it, I don't know, but that's the color of strawberry sunset, you guys. Strawberry sunset. Let me put it back in a box real quick. Okay, baby. Her packaging is so fire. Then we got Pink Party. Hopefully this is dark skin friendly too. You know what I'm saying? And this is the new packaging. This is one of her new blushes. It's kind of hard to come out, but let's swatch this one. Dark skin friendly again. I hit it on the nose. So that is Pink Party, and I was fiending for Pink Party. Pink Party look like it's all gone already. Hopefully it lasts, okay? And then the last one is Coral Mortal. So I was basically trying to go for a pink, red, and orange. Coral Morals. Okay. And you could take off this top. Coral Morals and this one is kind of similar, but not really. So I get what I was trying to do. You know, I hope you comment below if you get what I was trying to do as well. Okay? And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I don't think I said that. Okay, I'm slipping. But, ooh. So pretty. So, yes, you guys, let's remove our makeup with this stuff. Like, let's do this. Because, baby, it's definitely giving. It smells sweet, though. Okay. I think that's how much I need to remove everything. Ooh, ooh, no, don't fall. Don't fall. So comment down below if you think that it's removing my makeup well, or what. Ooh, I wish I would have had this spraying thing. Oh my god, she got a melt off spray as well. So. And I literally fought with the DHI guy. He came late. I didn't even know if she was coming or not. But I guess that's more than enough. And I keep my mom's in the refrigerator. I don't know why, but I do. And I'm gonna wash this off and come right back. Okay, so after I put the makeup balm on, this is me with I just wiped my face with wet wipes, and now I'm about to go wash my face with this. So the cleansing balm took it off pretty good. Let me go wash my face with this. It's foamy and nice, you guys. look thick on the face. You would think that it's just, you know, bold, but it gets really thick on the face. And it smells really good. Mm-hmm. Okay. So let me go wash this off my eye burner. So this is how it's looking after I finish wash with this. And you know, you have to use it for like 30 days to see if your skin really likes it, but so far so good. I'm just gonna moisturize it now, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing like these. Don't forget to I'm gonna link all the links for this mystery box, and yeah, you guys,